Anatomy of a Computer, Laptop Edition. A tutorial by Access Technologies. First, what kind of computer do you have? Shown is a laptop computer. You can find anatomy of a desktop computer in the video description. A laptop computer is small enough to fit on your lap. However, most people find it more comfortable to use on a desk. To start, make sure your laptop is open. Your laptop is open if your keyboard is visible and easy to access. Let's break it down. This is the LCD screen. Like a monitor, it shows you what is on the computer. Below is the keyboard. Below the keyboard is the trackpad. This is a touch-activated mouse. If we take a closer look at the keyboard, we can find the power button. The power button looks like a circle broken by a vertical line. Hold the power button until the device logo appears on the screen. There are several openings on the side of your laptop. Let's break it down. The charge port is where the charging cord plugs into the power outlet. This is an Ethernet port. You can connect to wired internet this way. LCD screen too small? Use the HDMI port to connect to another monitor. There are several USB ports that can connect to devices such as speakers, keyboards, and mice. Now, you're ready to explore. Helpful? Questions? Find more tutorials in the video description or visit www.accesstechnologiesinc.org.